Have you ever wondered why the person who once chased you suddenly turned completely cold, distant, and unreachable? You think they forgot about you? Think again. Behind that silence, something very specific is happening in their mind. If you want to decode how their mind actually works and never get played again, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you need this. Point number 1, the illusion of indifference. When an avoidant person acts like they don't care about your absence, it's usually a psychological defense mechanism. They convince themselves they are better off, but underneath that cold exterior, they are constantly monitoring your moves.
Point number 2, the silent comparison. Once you stop chasing them and match their energy, a switch flips in their head. They start comparing everyone else they meet to you. And secretly, nobody measures up to the emotional depth you brought into their life. Point number 3, the realization of loss. They live with a deep-seated fear of vulnerability. But the moment they realize you are actually moving on and are completely unreachable, panic sets in. Their ego takes a massive hit because they expected you to wait forever. Point number 4, testing the waters. This is where they come back with a subtle move, a random view on your story, a casual text, or checking up on you. They aren't necessarily changing, they just want to see if the door is still open for them to control.
The bottom line is this. When you master your own emotional detachment, the power shifts back to you. Don't let their mind games dictate your peace. If this opened your eyes, drop a comment, share this video, and make sure you are subscribed for more deep psychology breakdowns. See you in the next one.